What is a crypto accounting firm? Maybe you're a business leader looking to learn about how the accounting and professional services space is adapting to market changes. Maybe you're a CPA or accounting pro looking to future-proof your career, or even a student looking to learn about the future of professional opportunities and specialization. Maybe crypto accounting firm sounds self-explanatory, but I can assure you there's a lot more to know. By the end of this video, you'll understand what a crypto accounting firm is, the services they provide, and how they differ from traditional accounting firms, and especially why they are crucial to your crypto company, but also the future of crypto markets. Make sure you stick around to see how you can grab the latest edition of our exclusive audit season guide, your secret weapon for preparing for your financial statement audit as a crypto company. Welcome to TNF Takes, the go-to spot for crypto companies and on-chain organizations. Before we dive in, make sure you subscribe to continue getting top-tier content for your crypto company or on-chain organization from industry experts who have been around the block. I'm Noah Buxton from the Network Firm, here to help you establish trust, build efficient crypto operations, and stay ahead of the curve in an ever-evolving industry. So, what is a crypto accounting firm? A crypto accounting firm is a specialized accounting practice that focuses on businesses, institutions, and individuals involved in crypto and digital assets. Unlike traditional accounting firms that may have a broad focus serving every type of company, from nonprofits to fintech companies, crypto accounting firms specialize in solving the challenges related specifically to the digital assets industry. So, what are the key characteristics of a crypto accounting firm? They can be a certified public accounting firm or a chartered accountancy firm. And some of these shops may even be unlicensed but still specialize. Now, just take note that only the licensed firms, certified public accountancies and certified chartered accountancy firms can do activities such as filing tax returns and performing financial statement audits or other attestation engagements. Perhaps the key characteristic is a dedicated focus to the industry. But why? Isn't the power of an accounting firm usually measured by its breadth of experience and its wide geographical reach? Yes, usually clients trust the brand and they trust the ability for partners at that firm to source talent that will meet the needs of the project or the engagement. However, the world of digital assets moves at a pace unlike any other industry. It brings technical complexities, new accounting and tax treatments, and a need for specialized tools. If you've ever engaged with a traditional accounting firm, you may have quickly realized that they lack these technical tools. They lack the knowledge or experience, or they may even lack a basic understanding of crypto in a way that can meet your needs. Bitcoin, maybe they get it. Maybe a few staff get it. But liquidity pools, bridging, MEV, rebasing, multi-signature, and other custody solutions, good luck. So with new challenges comes new opportunities for those willing to learn and embrace change. Enter the crypto accounting firm. These firms combine the trust, licensing, and professional standards of traditional accounting firms with crypto native knowledge, tools, and insights for your business, purpose-built to serve the digital asset industry. These firms are leading the way in creating financial clarity, compliance, and trust in a world where all assets will become digital assets. I can tell you from personal experience that this is true. Firms that lack deep industry specialization are likely to provide bad outcomes for clients. I founded the digital assets industry practice at a top 20 US accounting firm starting in January 2019. By the end of 2022, we grew our dedicated staffing to 75 professionals and had served hundreds of clients with traditional accounting services delivered with deep expertise, as well as crypto native solutions and innovations like proof of reserves. However, our work to address the needs of the industry was always tempered by leadership's interest in growing in many other industries. This interest to be the best in all industries ultimately means you can't be the best in any industry. Since founding the network firm, we've been able to do more, move more quickly for clients, and still provide the quality that clients deserve and that professional standards demand. TNF is not a fair weather friend to the industry. We've been with the industry through the bull times and also the bear times. So, what kind of services do crypto accounting firms provide? First, provide an analogy here. Let's think of a crypto accounting firm like a GPS, like a navigation system for a business in the uncharted territory of public blockchain waters. Without it, companies can get lost in a regulatory maze or choppy waters, take costly wrong turns, or even crash into compliance failures. Crypto accounting firms help navigate these complexities by providing various services. So let's talk about accounting services, audit services, advisory services, and even tax services. First off with accounting services. Bookkeeping for crypto companies, accounts payable, and other financial operations, budgeting and forecasting, as well as part-time CFO or CFO advisory and special projects support for finance projects. In the audit domain, crypto accounting firms can provide financial statement audits for crypto businesses. This is perhaps one of the most important areas of differentiation because financial statement audit, especially in the crypto industry, requires deep expertise and especially homegrown tools or specific purpose-built tools for testing. These other audit services could include SOC audits or internal control examinations covering product operations or token operations. In the audit and attest space, also stablecoin reserve attestations have become common and are provided by crypto accounting firms. And proof of reserves, something we're a big fan of here at TNF and a thought leader in. Proof of reserves can be used to validate asset holdings in multiple different structures, from stablecoins to exchange and custody services to exchange traded products and ETFs. Now, advisory services. Perhaps one of the best things you can do working with a crypto accounting firm is tap into their expertise. And in this area, advisory services or readiness services can be provided across financial statement audit, internal controls projects, and other compliance objectives or projects. Business process optimization for crypto firms, subledger implementations to properly track digital assets for accounting and tax purposes, and other crypto transaction tracking and specialized on-chain projects. In the tax domain, filing tax returns for crypto businesses as well as individual investors, taking tax position strategies or doing tax analysis to provide optimized compliance, and even projects that could help you identify tax credits and deductions for your crypto activities and crypto holdings. So, how do crypto accounting firms really differ from traditional firms? In a nutshell, it's all about risk. However, I can speak for TNF when I say that we're built for this. We are specifically built to address the risks present in the crypto industry. Now, most companies and accounting firms view crypto as highly risky, and that's why they tend to be fair weather friends to the industry. When times are good, they are willing to take risk because there can be high return on investment in that risk. However, in bear times, not as likely to have high returns, and therefore they don't take those risks, withdrawing from the industry. Now, staff expertise, experience serving clients, combined with methodologies and tools, can reduce risks for any firm, say providing a financial statement audit or a test engagement. At TNF, we have the experience and the tools to really reduce these risk levels for our whole firm and also for all of our clients. And this enables us to really focus on the key areas, the key risk areas of, say, an audit or a test engagement, do that quickly and efficiently, and overall reduce the risk to the firm of offering assurance or attestation services, and also the risk to the client of potentially getting a bad or misleading or misstated report. Now, some of the additional factors here are really specialized knowledge and skills, which I've mentioned, understanding the philosophical component and the history of crypto, the specific crypto tooling, and also serving a global market. Lastly, I think also the big differentiator here is for a crypto accounting firm is offering unique services that are not found in traditional accounting firms. So let's go through each one by one. Now, on the philosophical component, I think this is incredibly important. Satoshi's story to altcoins, to meme coins, and to the creation of Ethereum and smart contracts, to the block size wars, the ICO phase, DeFi summer, to now the meme coin season, and Wall Street adoption. These are all key phases and key history of the crypto industry and the crypto market. It's important to understand these because history and context influence our approach to client work and to the advice that we give to clients. It also gives us intentionality as to how we develop products and services and how specific assets should be treated from an accounting, audit, or tax perspective. So, is depositing ETH collateral into Aave, is that a sale of ETH and a purchase of AETH, or simply a collateral deposit? Now, facts and circumstances always matter, but understanding the detail and the history is paramount to proper treatment and proper reporting. So, this is the differentiator. Most accounting firms know a little bit about Bitcoin. They know a little bit about public blockchain technology, or maybe now they read the headlines about meme coins. But these are only a fraction, really, of crypto activity and history. And that depth of knowledge doesn't enable the traditional accounting firm to handle or understand the complexities and the needs of clients in the crypto industry today. Serving the needs of global digital asset markets is another big differentiator here. So crypto accounting firms that are built with a focus on crypto clients tend to, by their nature, be ready to address the global nature of a crypto business. They're ready to work with international clients, whether that's a DeFi use case, an intersection with TradFi like a stablecoin or a tokenization use case, and even those more crypto native token issuance cases. And so because crypto is borderless, the service providers should be as well. Now, most crypto accounting firms like TNF operate with a remote workforce with teams across multiple countries. And we can even accept payments in crypto for services. So this remote workforce and experienced workforce allows us to address the needs of crypto clients in multiple jurisdictions. Of course, we have to obtain new licenses and new registrations from time to time, but to be able to do that in a nimble way allows us to serve clients globally. Now, most traditional firms really work from a local office perspective. They build their teams locally. They serve their clients locally. And that's typically from a physical office location in a specific area. And, this leaves them with a smaller talent pool. It leaves them with bifurcated or sort of centralized knowledge in certain areas of the firm that does not translate across the firm at large. And the bigger the firm comes, the bigger the bureaucracy and the bigger the problem of ensuring that hyper specialized knowledge can be translated to other teams across the firm. Another huge differentiator is offering really unique services that are not found in traditional accounting. And this may be the number one thing that a crypto accounting firm can provide your business. For instance, proof of reserves for stablecoins, exchanges, ETFs, and other use cases. Detailed basis tracking and on-chain transaction reconciliations. DAO and foundation services for decentralized governance structures and or the reporting on top of them. Now, this is such a big differentiator because it's something that simply isn't found at the traditional accounting firm. While other large legacy providers may have a good brand and address, the needs of many market participants across many industries, the crypto accounting firm really provides a big differentiator here for clients because we can provide a service that just is not available from the legacy providers. So where traditional accounting firms, they sort of stay in the trodden path, they do the thing that is relatively low or acceptable risk. Crypto accounting firms are willing to innovate. They embrace new methods for financial reporting and transparency, and they center their services really on the needs of the crypto industry as opposed to what the active trend in the market is. Now, who exactly do crypto accounting firms serve? They serve crypto native companies. They serve individuals. They serve businesses operating between DeFi and TradFi. And they serve even traditional finance institutions entering crypto and now governments. On the crypto native side, this can be exchanges, miners, OTC desks, market makers, staking providers, node operators, DAOs, on-chain organizations, even future network states and startup societies. As retail starts to interact with the space or continues to interact with the digital asset space, tax reporting and basic financial management are critically important. And crypto accounting firms have a deep expertise that can really serve the needs of individuals for their tax reporting or, again, their basic financial accounting and personal finance matters. And so lastly, traditional finance institutions and governments. I think here we're seeing corporations begin to adopt crypto as a treasury strategy. Mostly Bitcoin is what we're seeing, but this creates unique financial accounting challenges and reporting challenges. So work with folks who have done this before. So why are crypto accounting firms really important? Well, they bridge the gap between traditional finance and crypto. They enable crypto companies to succeed ultimately, and they allow for innovation in both CPA services and for the future of general accounting services. Now, back to the top, bridging the gap between traditional finance and crypto. Crypto accounting firms really help businesses comply with regulations and help them scale effectively in an industry where oftentimes traditional accounting or regulatory frameworks don't apply, or they're unclear, or they don't frankly exist yet. So at the network firm, for instance, we also serve on multiple working groups with traditional standard setters, such as the AICPA. And we do this to inform those standard setters and provide more education, criteria, and standards for all CPAs and accountants working in the space. Ultimately, this activity of the crypto accounting firm with standard setters helps advance the needs of the industry at large. Next, enabling crypto companies to succeed. I think this is a really big one. There are so many things that a crypto company needs for its longevity, for its success, and obtaining the necessary licenses in different jurisdictions is a big one. So crypto accounting firms can really help execute audits and compliant engagement. And without licenses, the crypto industry is basically stuck in operating in this regulatory gray area, or this sort of redlined area. And so helping obtain these necessary licenses, being able to do this work relatively quickly and efficiently for clients really has a huge impact on the success of the client. Now, crypto accounting firms can also help present really accurate financial data to investors, regulators, and other stakeholders in the business, with all the crypto activity accurately presented. And this is key to securing funding and operating the business, right? Building trust with investors is critically important. So being able to provide a complete, accurate financial reporting and do it in a timely manner is a big differentiator. When investors see, co-founders that can't produce financial reporting or do partial financial reporting in sort of summary updates versus those that can produce a recent month's close or an annual close relatively quickly and in a complete financial statement package, that is a completely different perception that's created for the investor. Obviously, the latter being the better perception for the investor. Internally also, crypto accounting firms help optimize financial operations, right? Enhance efficiency and allow the company to grow. So this can include internal controls, even advisory on wallet security and best practices for on-chain transactions. Here, crypto accounting firms have pioneered and will continue to pioneer in the area of proof of reserves, creating very focused and specific transparency reporting that can serve the needs of the retail segment and the institutional segment in a way that current CPA services and audit services simply do not address. So the specialized knowledge and tools that are needed to support an issuer that is tokenizing real world assets, again, are not found within the traditional accounting industry. So marrying the skill set and the licensing of a traditional accounting practice with the tools and experience of a crypto accounting firm that has already worked with tokenizers is really a best fit for the tokenizers. Now, at TNF, we're committed to shaping this future. We've organized ourselves in a modern way to attract talent that can accrue to the benefit of our clients, and we're working on standards every day. So we're committed to shaping the future of finance. We want to build transparency. We want to bolster trust, and ultimately we want to break down barriers. The financial system is evolving, and crypto accounting firms are leading the way in building this transparency, bolstering this trust, and ultimately breaking barriers for crypto companies. So whether you're a startup investor or an institution, leveraging a crypto accounting firm can help take your crypto business to the next level with users, investors, and regulators. Be sure to reach out to the network firm, the industry's most experienced and knowledgeable crypto accounting firm, for a free consultation using the meeting link in the description below, and check the description below to grab a copy of your audit season guide to help your crypto company unlock its next stage of compliance and growth. I'm Noah Buxton. Thanks for tuning in to another TNF Takes.